Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can find your Steam trade URL on Steam app or on Steam applications in general so easily and so quickly. Let's go. Of course, for this to work, you need either this Steam app over here or you need to open the Steam on your browsers or anything. For this video, I will do the Steam app. For that, we will go find our name here. We will go profile. After going to the profile, I will select inventory, and after going to the inventory, as you can see, there is a trade offer button. I will click this one. After clicking this, it will tell you, of course, you have no trade offers and anything, but we want our Steam trade URL, and for that, we will click who can send me trade offers. Clicking this will show us friends, trading forums, and third-party websites. As you can see, with this, I get a special token, which is also my trade URL. And of course, if you don't like your URL or it's compromised or any other thing, like I did with the video, you can always click create new URL and get a brand new URL for your Steam account. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you find your Steam URL. And for any other topic, I would love to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.